Yo, what's good my people? You already know what it is. This is Once We Are Not The Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. I'm your boy P5, aka Positive P, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. Should we get into it? Let's do it. You already know the route. Let's do this. Oh, let me lean down and... oh my god, we dropped it like it's hard. Drop it like it's hard, drop it like it's hard. Alright, and let me show you what we got for you today. Alright, that's what the box says. I'm going to show you what the box holds. Show you that paper, that papier, you know, that papier. You see that right there? That's paper, papier. Oh, he's peeking through the box. He's peeking through the box. Oh, god damn. Jesus Christ, have mercy on our souls. Look at this, people. I'm going to just lift that up so you can see. I'm going to turn it around and then we shall get into this. I'll give you a bit more. Look at that bouquet. This, guys, is the Huarache Scream Green 30th anniversary reissue, originally released in 1991. Some of you were thinking, what's 1991? Is that a drink? No guys, it was a year way before you were born. Originally released in 1991 when I was but a young man. I wasn't even a young man yet, I was still a kid. But yeah, this was originally released then and has since been re-released, and this is now the 30th anniversary 2021, and here we have it. Just give you a little toilage. Everything is toilage. Boom. Alright, now let's get into this beauty. I mean, right foot as always. Oh, guys, just feast your eyes on this beautiful. This is one of my top 5 Nike Airs of all time, along with the 180s, the Air Max 90s, and a couple other joints. You know, it changes different times, year on year. Look at that ass. Look at that ass. Anyway, guys, let's get into it. So you have this beautiful midsole right here with the grooves, and for all of those that know about the Huarache, you recognize this midsole. It's just beautiful, lovely midsole with the dotted grooves across it. Now you have this black cage right here, you know what I mean, Luke cage right here, and that goes right there, made out of rubber. It's a rubberized cage, and then that goes round to the back where you have this nice rubberized heel tab right here, which says Nike in that beautiful 90s font, and then it takes you all the way back round to the black rubberized cage like so. Very, very beautiful. On the other part of the upper, oh my god guys, like if you just run your finger across this, follow my finger as I run it across this leather, it is actually buttress garlic. It's butter. It's butter. Like it's actually strange that it's so butter, and that butter follows all the way around to the toe box. Butter leather, really butter. Buttress, butterous garlic. And then again on the other side, equilibrium's a beautiful thing. Onto the lace bed, this is another bit of beautiful soft leather. So nice. I mean, yeah, that is nice. When I first pulled these out of the box and I saw how soft this leather was, I was actually quite pleasantly surprised. Very nice. You can see it's a high quality leather just by the grooves on it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the grooves on it, like when you press it, it leaves, you know, little grooves, which normally is a good indicator of good leather. Really nice. Now on the rest of the upper, you have this nice sort of what is this upper? I don't know what to call it, but it's a nice soft, it's not quite your mesh upper, but it's not a mesh upper at all, but it's just this nice sort of sock like toe box. Really nice. And then that leads on to your neoprene sock here, which is this. Damn, can you see how royal this blue is? I mean, that is royal. It's royal. And can you see how neon this neon is? That is neon. I mean, neon heel tab, of course. I mean, wow. It's just neon-y sock liner, neoprene sock liner. I'll give you a little look on the inside. Look at the coloration in there, guys. is so bright, it's so lovely, it's so sexy. So you have that nice upper there, sorry, that nice sock liner in royal blue and this neon green, or as we like to call it, scream green. And that houses this beautiful retro, right back to the classic Nike Air Huarache labeling. If you know the Huaraches, you'll see that they have the Huarache logo on them. This has the Nike Air labeling on it instead. Nike Air Huarache labeling as shown on the original release in 1991. The subsequent releases have had the Huarache logo. It comes with these white laces, standard fare, nothing too exciting. And of course you have your Nike tab right there. Insole, beautiful royal, Nike Air in that neon scream green on the bed, beautiful. Just give you a little look inside there, you know, so you can see what's going on in here. Okay, it's beautiful, it's lovely. I mean, guys, this piece here is just such a beautiful, beautiful shoe. I'm not even gonna front. I mean, look at this, so nice. And let me show you the Soulage. So when we're going through the fields, you know what kind of mark you're gonna leave. Really dope, really dope. And of course you have the Nike Air right there in that scream green hit. As mentioned, guys, this was released a number of times, and I'm going to show you another one of those releases for your viewing pleasure, guys. God, it's scream green all over the gaff. Scream green all over your body. I don't know what the fuck that was. So this is a 2014 pair. I can't actually believe this is a 2014 pair. I didn't realize it was that old. Jeez. So if I show you the differences on these pairs, as you can see already, you see that there. That's the Huarache logo, which was on the subsequent releases. And of course you have the OG Nike Air Huarache bit there. You can tell the differentials in the color as well, on the tongue there and in the green. I mean, look at that. It's a whole different world of green, you know. This one's not quite screaming, it's just a bit, you know, gleaming. Oh shit, it's not screaming, but it's gleaming. A couple of other subtle differences also are, oh, actually at the bottom there, forget the dirt, just look at it, you do have the lime green hit, but the placement of that Nike Air square is slightly different. Also, if you look here, this has a tumbled style leather on the lace bed right here. You see, it's got a tumbled style leather, whereas the other one is a smooth leather, as you can see there. So there's that difference. The leather here is actually soft as well, but the toe bed leather here, toe box leather, is definitely not even close to being as soft as this one here. And again, you know, looking at the blues, you can see this is what I remember as a kid, and this was just, you know, nostalgia. I'll have it anyway, but not quite the same. So there you have a 2014 and a 2021 pair. Really nice. Now I know what you're thinking. Cool story, bro. Well, what's this I have here, mate? What's this? That's right, another pair. And this is the pair that you would call the pair of doom. Well, I don't know if you'd call it the pair of doom. I've just called it that. And that's because these are bloody doomed. These are doomed. I mean, look at that. Let me show you how doomed they are. Look, that's doomsday, my baby. That's doomsday. And this pair, believe it or not, is 1999. 1999. Once again, you have that retro Huarache label tab. Sorry, let me get that in focus for y'all. Retro Huarache label tab right there, as you can see. You have a blue that is more similar to the 2014 pair. As you can see, they're more or less identical. The 2014 pair has a fatter Huarache tongue, so this bit is bolder, if you see, compared to this one here. You see, that's a much thinner bit compared to that one, which is a much fatter, bolder print. And of course, back to this, it doesn't have that. It has the Nike Air Huarache tab. Also, the major difference between this and the others is these are fucked. Look how dirty they are. Pardon my front say, but look at these. These have, you know, been on mopeds in Ibiza. They've been on beaches. I don't know what countries. I mean, look at that. Look at that heel tab. I'm showing you some history here, guys. 1999. Some of you, were you born? Again, maybe, just about. Like, really, really damaged. But, you know, I've kept these because I knew this moment would come. I didn't mention they all have the Air on the foot. Sorry, on the heel right there. They all have that. So that's a standard behavior. This also has the tumbled leather. If you can see, that also has the tumbled leather on the lace bed there. So that is more tumbled leather there. Also, another difference is if you look at the bottom, you see that Nike Air is in blue. The coloration is more or less similar, but I don't know if it's age or just dirt and everything. But if you see the scream green neoprene bed is just a bit darker on the 1999 pair. So again, it could just be age and wear. You never really know. I think, guys, that's really it. Other than, like I said, these are battered to the world. This is my favorite pair, of course, because I've had memories in these. Like I said, I've ridden on mopeds in Ibiza, you know, skirting around town. Skirt, skirt. So, guys, as you can see, it's a scream green affair. And we screaming, and we greening, and we leaning, and we fleening. So this is what happens when you're a crep head. Sometimes you have multiples of a shoe, and when a shoe drops, you always want to get a version of that shoe. Ideally, I'd get another 99 pair, and I'd get another 2014 pair, because, you know, these have been worn. But I wear these Huaraches, I wear these, and that's why I had to get these, because I was like, I need a pair that I can actually, you know, floss in, not just wear and batter, but floss in, you know. And this pair, I mean, being true to the OG, I mean, what more can I say? I mean, just look at that, guys. Look at the color on that. How could you not? These are still about, so I would say, like, trust me, if you've never had a pair of Huaraches, grab yourself a pair, even if it's just this pair. And this pair, I always go, I'm a size 9.5, sometimes 9, let's just say 9.5 is my true size, but I always go 0.5 up, because the sock, it's a foot hugger, you know, a sock for your feet, and you definitely need a size up. I mean, the shape on these is butter, man. Beautiful shape. You need a size up on these, guys, so I would go half a size or a size up. These are a size 10, these are a size 10, and these, my favorite pair, the Ibifas as I'll call them, they're a size 10. So guys, that was the Huarache Scream Green 30th anniversary release. And yeah, like I hope you've enjoyed the fact that I've shown you a couple different iterations of said shoe. I really wish I could still wear these, you know. I could probably glue them, but I think they've had their day. Maybe I'll skate them, you know, one time or something, and just see if they crumble under my feet. Quick garment check. Today I have this Nike t-shirt, as you can see, haircut t-shirt. It doesn't allow for my haircut, which is not a haircut at all, but you know, you have the high top fades, etc, etc, and I've got a Bear 77 vintage cap on, which I have both of these for sale actually, so it will all start showing up on my for sale page and all of that good stuff. But yeah, guys, this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Crep. I've been your boy P Huarache, and this has been Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like, please comment, and please share and subscribe. And as always, guys, stay dope, be fly. Remember, it's not about material possessions, just get in where you fit in, and as always, continue to be safe. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next episode. And again, peace, gang.